Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A culinary oasis, modern Mediterranean kitchen. Imagine a kitchen that seamlessly blends function with the laid-back charm of the Mediterranean. In this small, modern, one-story White House, the kitchen reflects the clean lines of the exterior and the inviting presence of the pool just steps away. Here's how this culinary oasis might unfold. Light, airy, white cabinetry with clean lines echoes the crisp white exterior of the house and maximizes the feeling of space. Backsplash tiles in a light, reflective material like white subway tile or pale blue glass will bounce light around the room. Earthy accents, countertops in warm tones like granite or butcher block add a touch of rustic charm. Exposed beam ceilings or open shelving with natural wood accents further connect the kitchen to the natural world. Open and connected, consider a galley or L-shaped layout to promote efficient use of space. If possible, incorporate a breakfast bar or peninsula that opens towards the living room, fostering connection and conversation. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Large windows or a sliding glass door leading directly to the pool area allows for natural light and fresh air to flow. Through the kitchen, strategic placement of the sink or prep area near the window allows you to enjoy the view of the pool while preparing meals. Built-in cleverness, smart storage solutions are key in a small kitchen. Explore options like pull-out drawers, under-cabinet organizers, and built-in shelves to maximize space utilization. Pops of color. Introduce vibrant Mediterranean hues through decorative elements like hand-painted ceramic tiles on the backsplash or colorful dishware displayed on open shelves. Mediterranean flair. Hanging woven baskets for fruit storage or displaying a collection of colorful olive oil bottles adds a touch of rustic charm. A bowl of fresh lemons or a fragrant herb garden on the windowsill brings the essence of the Mediterranean outdoors right into the kitchen. Modern touches. Stainless steel appliances add a sleek and modern touch that complements the clean lines of the white cabinetry. Consider incorporating recessed lighting for general illumination. And pendant lights over the breakfast bar or sink area for added style and task lighting. Sustainable choices, energy-efficient appliances and water-saving fixtures align with the laid-back Mediterranean spirit and are good for the environment. This modern Mediterranean kitchen is not just about aesthetics, it's a functional space designed for creating delicious meals and enjoying the company of loved ones. With its light-filled ambience, clever storage solutions, and a touch of Mediterranean flair, this kitchen becomes the heart of your home, seamlessly connected to the refreshing poolside oasis. There are several compelling reasons to design a small, modern, one-story white Mediterranean-style kitchen in your White House with a pool. Maximizes light and creates openness. The white cabinetry and light-colored backsplash characteristic of the Mediterranean style will reflect natural light, making your small kitchen feel more spacious and airy. Large windows or a sliding glass door further enhance this by blurring the lines between the kitchen and the pool area. Perfect for indoor-outdoor living. The Mediterranean style emphasizes connection to nature. A large window or sliding glass door allows for easy access to the pool and creates a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Imagine grabbing fresh herbs for your meal straight from a windowsill herb garden while enjoying the pool view. Warm and inviting ambience. Mediterranean kitchens often incorporate natural textures like exposed beams, warm countertops, and open shelving with natural wood accents. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for gathering with loved ones over a meal. Functional and efficient use of space. The focus on clean lines and clever storage solutions, pull-out drawers, built-in shelves, often found in Mediterranean kitchens, is ideal for maximizing space utilization in a small kitchen. Complements the overall design. The clean lines of the white exterior and the modern style of the house are beautifully complemented by the simplicity and light colors of the Mediterranean kitchen design. It creates a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look for your entire home. Low-maintenance materials. Mediterranean style often features materials like white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances which are relatively easy to clean and maintain, perfect for a kitchen with easy access to the pool area. Evokes a relaxing atmosphere. The Mediterranean style embodies a laid-back and relaxed vibe. This is perfect for creating a space where you can unwind after a day spent swimming or enjoying the outdoors. Overall, a small, modern, Mediterranean-style kitchen perfectly complements your White House and the inviting presence of the pool. It creates a light-filled, functional, and stylish space that encourages indoor-outdoor living and fosters a sense of relaxation and serenity. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing your small, modern Mediterranean kitchen. 1. Measure and plan. Take accurate measurements of your kitchen to create a scaled floor plan. Consider the location of windows, doors, and plumbing fixtures when planning the layout. 2. Maximize light and openness. Choose white cabinetry with clean lines to reflect natural light and make the space feel airy. Explore light-colored backsplash options like white subway tile, pale blue glass, or even mirrored tiles to further enhance light reflection. 3. Embrace openness, if possible. If space allows, consider an open floor plan that connects the kitchen to the living room or dining area. This fosters a sense of connection and promotes conversation. A breakfast bar or peninsula can be a great way to achieve this. 4. Prioritize smart storage. Small kitchens require clever storage solutions. Explore options like pull-out drawers for lower cabinets to maximize accessibility, built-in shelves and cabinets that utilize vertical space efficiently, pot racks or hanging organizers for easy access to frequently used items. 5. Introduce natural materials. Countertops in warm tones like granite or butcher block add a touch of rustic charm. Consider open shelving with natural wood accents or exposed beam ceilings to connect the kitchen to the natural world. 6. Indoor-outdoor connection. If possible, incorporate a large window or a sliding glass door leading directly to the pool area. This allows natural light and fresh air to flow freely and fosters a seamless connection between the kitchen and the outdoors. 7. Pops of color and flair. Introduce vibrant Mediterranean hues through decorative elements. This could include hand-painted ceramic tiles on the backsplash, colorful dishware displayed on open shelves, a bowl of fresh lemons or a vibrant herb garden on the windowsill. 8. Functional appliances and fixtures. Opt for stainless steel appliances for a sleek, modern touch. Consider energy-efficient appliances and water-saving fixtures to promote sustainability and environmentally friendly living. 9. Lighting for ambience. Use a combination of lighting options to create different moods. Recessed lighting provides general illumination while pendant lights over the breakfast bar or sink area add task lighting in style. 10. Personalize your space. Don't forget to incorporate elements that reflect your personal style and interests. Display artwork you love, family photos, or decorative items that bring you joy, by following these steps and considering your specific needs and preferences. You can design a beautiful and functional Mediterranean-inspired kitchen for your small, modern home. Remember, take advantage of the natural light and create a seamless connection to the pool area to truly capture the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.